We chose to do the tiny home because we wanted something small, just somewhere we could get away. We like how organized they are. You get so much for your money. So we came down here and we saw the view and we had to have it.
Fell in love
We
with it
fell in
instantly.
love. Hi, I'm Eddie,
I'm Sonia.
and welcome to Dragonfly Cottage. Let's take a tour. Welcome to the kitchen. This is the space that I love, and I like to cook and enjoy creating new recipes. And this design, the builder actually had the layout. We did a lot of tweaking. We put cabinet fronts on the refrigerator and the dishwasher. We put in a full range instead of a cooktop and like a wall oven. We did like the butcher block countertop. So one of the design changes we did with this model from Timbercraft was the roof we vaulted. This was actually a loft. It's their bunkhouse model. And we took the loft out, vaulted the ceilings, put in the skylights. Space-wise, we do have a counter that we can lift up, and that clicks and we can pull our bar stools over and eat right there if we need extra space for that, or we can use it for cooking space, whatever we need. We chose the color scheme because we're in the mountains of North Carolina and we love the fall and the colors, and that's kind of what the base of the house is from. Ordered all custom lighting and put that in. Oh, we just love it. The function is perfect. Everything's organized. We're able to access what we need. We're here part-time. We're here a few times a month, and everything functions perfectly for us. So then we have our pantry back here in the hall and has plenty of storage for all the things we need. Lots of good space there. The staircase to the loft has drawers. These pull out so we can have like a junk drawer, and we have more storage in the stairs to our bedroom. We raised our bedroom and created a storage room underneath, and that's where we keep our Christmas tree and other things that we don't need to keep inside the house. So that was really good use of space.
Hi, welcome to our living room. This is one of our favorite places when we're not outside enjoying the weather. We sit in here and relax and watch TV, watch a movie, or sit by the fire. This is just a cozy place we enjoy. One of our favorite rooms because of all the windows, and we've added the sliding glass door because of the morning porch that we enjoy. Our skylights we love. We can open those and the breeze comes through. And we've added shelving in here to display a lot of our favorite items. This is just one of the rooms we really enjoy relaxing in.
We chose to do the tiny home because we wanted something small, just somewhere we could get away a couple times a month. We just chose the tiny living. We were fascinated with it. We like how organized they are. And we chose Timbercraft Tiny Homes in Alabama. We loved all of his videos. His homes, when they were displayed, were actually what you got when you inquired about building the house. You get so much for your money.
They were a great group of people to work with from start to finish. Couldn't ask for a better group of people.
This is the bathroom. We did make some changes here in the design. We added a linen shelf system here with the towels and the washcloths and all. The shower, all the tiles custom. We added body sprays. We have a handheld shower plus the shower head. We do have a bench that folds down and a steam system. So on the cold winter days when it's snowing outside, we can get in here and hit the steamer and it fills up with hot steam, I think to about 120 degrees. And it's really nice to kind of just sit there and relax. We had leftover tile and we put it on the wall just as an accent place for the mirror. Got a nice vanity with storage, and we have an all-in-one washer dryer combo. We do have a septic system on our land, so we have a typical functioning household toilet system. We added some live edge shelving for accent and storage pieces, and Other than that, this is it. And now we're in the main bedroom. We do have a king-size bed. Timbercraft offers a built-in pedestal, which has 3 drawers on each side. Under the mattress, there is a storage area that you can lift and store things if you like. The nightstands are built in. They have nice soft closing drawers, lots of storage there. We added this headboard just to kind of add an accent area there. The mini splits, they work really well in this house. A lot of times you hear in the tiny homes, people want to know about the insulation and the comfort. And this house is foam sprayed. Our power bill is very reasonable. The space is great. We can get all the way around the bed. It's easy to make up. We have a nice closet here. We've got hanging room. We've got cubbies for storage. Lots of lighting, the windows, the breezes blow through. We've got the skylights open. That's just a great space and just very comfortable.
This is our loft space. Our kids use it right now, or if we have guests. It is a tight space, but it's very cozy. We have the skylights up here, so we get a cool breeze. Over here on the side, we have a shelving unit where we can have storage, or we have this cozy, I call it the reading nook, where we can sit and read a book, or just sit and relax and look at the view. And we have a queen-size bed, so it's a very cozy area. It is, like I said, a little tight, but great little getaway, quiet area. We love it.
We came to this area, we didn't know much about it, and this actual property was a for sale by owner. And me being in real estate, I said to the realtor, I said, well, if we buy the property, we'll pay you the commission. So we came down here and we saw the view and we had to have it.
Fell in love
We
with it
fell in
instantly.
love. And what drew us to the land was it was a retired Christmas tree farm. And we've always brought the children to the mountains for Christmas trees every year, and we pick a tree and we cut the tree and we take it back to Pinehurst where we live full time, and it's just been a tradition. So the land kind of spoke to us. Oh, it's kind of emotional. You know, the model started with a base price of $149,000. We did a lot of upgrades.
A lot.
So finally, by the time we finished with everything, the house itself was around $215,000. But overall, it was an awesome experience. I'd do it all over again. I don't think we could be happier.
This is our covered porch, one of our favorite outdoor spaces. As you can see, we do have a tub. I love a bath, and all we have in the tiny home is a shower. So my husband surprised me with the tub. We sit out here and enjoy our coffee in the mornings, or we can sit over on the table and we can have dinner, or we can sit out here any weather and enjoy the time.
Welcome to the outdoor living room. We like to sit out here and turn on the big TV, and we'll have our families here with us, and it's a good place to come out and get out of the house to get some fresh air. We did put in a 75-inch television, and the storage box is called Storm Shell. We got it from Lowe's, but it mounts to the wall, then the TV mounted to it, and it has a cover that goes on the front. So it protects it completely from the elements. We get a lot of high winds here with snow all winter long, and the TV is completely protected, but it does pull out, and we can tilt it toward that area, and it just tucks back away. And this is the outdoor seating area. Nice rocking chairs that are comfortable. We've got the fire pit. We'll sometimes roast marshmallows here. And then I have my grilling area over here, which is close to the kitchen, very convenient, and just a nice another spot in our tiny living to relax. I would say if you're thinking about building a tiny home, build it the way you want it. The way they're constructed with the framing, rearranging plumbing, or anything like that could be a challenge. Make it the way you want it and enjoy it. So that's what we did. We hope you enjoyed the tour of our tiny home. If you'd like to follow us, you can on Instagram at Dragonfly Cottage NC.